with the Husqvarna 372 XP, it didn't really seem to make nearly as much of a difference from chain to chain. So, I mean, but that, you know, that's a substantial saw. I was honestly shocked that, you know, they were so close with some of the times, but it just goes to show you the right saw makes a pretty good sized difference, right? The right chain makes a bigger difference with an electric saw than a gas saw, it seems. You know, and I think the technique with the electric saw is going to make a bigger difference too, in terms of cut times and stuff. And I'm going to have to get some more wood and give this a try, but I'm like 90%. If I don't push that saw, if I'm not like biting into it, trying to find that sweet spot like I do with a gas saw, right between it bogging and still running full RPM, but if I just lean on it a little less, I think I'm gonna get almost just as quick cuts without trashing the battery, you know, so fast and heating everything up. So just gotta let that chain and the chainsaw do the work, which in the end will make it easier on me because I'm not pushing through all the cuts. Yeah, that's what it's appearing right now as far as chainsaw overheating and battery cut speed goes.